All right, what's good? Today is 4 p.m., 4 more hours till the Bitcoin daily close. It's Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. Let's go right to the charts. Today we're gonna do a Bitcoin technical analysis of the stock trends. Let's get right to it right now. So in my last video, in my last Bitcoin technical analysis, which was about 30 days ago, maybe even 75 days ago, I mentioned um, in the video that we might be forming a triangle. Remember that video? As price pulled back to this 89 moving average, exponential moving average. I mentioned to keep an eye on the 89 moving average because we might be in some type of formation like so. I was pointing out this formation in the past, or this formation in the past, right, on the daily chart. So now you can see that we have bounced off of the 89 moving average, and that's all I wanted to point out for the daily chart. I don't want to do too much analysis. I want to make this nice, quick and short to point out what I think is going on in the market. So if I haven't pointed out what's going on in the link right now, we were forming some type of double bottom, right? Double bottom right here, and then it failed. So others can take a look at the descending triangle in a different perspective, bull and bear cases. So I am in a short right there. Unfortunately, we didn't get filled on that last second right there, but that would have been a nice little 2% on a thousand, so about $20, right? 20 USD, which I'm cool with. But I am in a short right now. I did enter about half my position size, right up around here. So here's my orders. I like to make day trading scalping videos as well for those who care. Like and subscribe for sure. Comment if you want to see more of those. I kind of keep them for myself. But in the macro time frames, to take a look at some swing trade positions that we could do. I don't really want to show you the daily analysis, but here's what I have so far. This could also be an ABC. We have a one-to-one extension right now. It could be an ABC, or this could be a 1-2, 1, 2, 3, like this basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you know what? I'm thinking maybe that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I mean, we can do this all day. That's why I didn't really want to go to the daily chart. So here's the weekly perspective. All I want to point out for the daily chart is that we are above the 89 moving average, exponential moving average. Let's go to the weekly. So the weekly, as you can see, is it's forming that same type of pattern, although we did get that wick. So the same type of pattern, and I'm also going to point out some good Fibonacci analysis on my drawings right now. So, but if we fail like we just did in Link, a lot of times that's what happens, right? The big guys, they like to point out things on small altcoins that they can control, and then Bitcoin is more or less. So Link, it looks like it was testing. And then, so are we going to also fail downwards? So here's my chart. Here's the drawings. I have a bullish and a bearish count on this one, but here's the bullish perspective before Link actually dropped that much. But like I said, we are still above the 89 on the daily. I remain bullish until we break that downwards. Okay, and I think we still got a good amount of time, which we're about to go into time analysis. Shout out to some guy in the Discord that does astrology, technical analysis. Check out these dates. Let me know. Post in the comments below for the community, for the people. What do these dates mean? I guess for the whole year, whatever you think. Do these dates have any value? I'm curious. These are not random. I didn't put them random. They're based off of technical analysis, and I ask that you just check these 3 dates for us, for the community. Now, let's go into this technical analysis a little further. So, if this chart on the weekly is forming an ascending triangle of any sort, you if you are in a short, want to get the heck out, and you want to get in a long, probably if it most definitely if it passes that 10,500 mark. I will let you know why. First of all, it's massive resistance, boom, 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 and we keep getting shut down, shut down, shut down. So if we surpass it, more than likely we're going to get a spike upwards. Now here's the projection, this projection of the ascending triangle. You put that up here, and we've got basically a 20% projection, and here is basically what I see. So about 12,000 to $11,800 in that range is the target for the ascending triangle. Now, could it continue? Of course, it can go further. We just broke. That would mean that we just broke down a descending trend line, right? But one thing that I must point out on this chart right now is that we are at such a great confluent range right here. This box that I've drawn right here, let's go ahead and delete it. I'll re-add it in 2 seconds. Look, 1618, 0.618, 0.382, 0.382, 0.618, and those are big numbers. That is the golden range, the golden pocket. So I added the golden pocket right now that we are in. By the way, it's about a 10% range for anybody who cares, 8% range for anybody who cares, and that is why I say that you want to be buying Bitcoin and Bitcoin only, because I'm going to try to explain to you what you want to be buying Bitcoin if it passes this 61.8 level, which is at 10,100, and definitely if you're a little bit more of a conservative player with less risk, then wait about 5% more until people start getting stopped out, and it goes above 10,500. That's your confirmation, and then you start to add more to your position. I would say there, if you haven't gotten an entry at the 61.8 breakout, I would say that you would want to buy above 10,500, and because I think we're going to see a huge move up in a week. If we break above, okay, I must say if we break above. Now if I put it up here, we get closer to some other Fibonacci ranges up here, but I'm not really interested in that right now, you know. But what I'm interested in is what we're in right now, this range, this golden range that I just pointed out, the 61.8 and 0.382. So this is the box that we're in. We're in a consolidation, like I said, for 75 days now. 75 days. Now let's go to, I want to go to the monthly, but I think I'm missing out on something here. I can't stress it enough though. If we pass the 61.8 level, this one right here, I really do believe that we're going to spike upwards. We have a triple resistance right here. So if we break above this resistance, this is why I put it right here, this guy, it's at 10,500 flat. Hey guys, 10,500 flat. We break, and this is where I think the trend will change for the uptrend, and this is where I think that you could start you can start adding like this, basically, like I think it would start spiking if we break out. Okay, I mean, you take a look at gold, you take a look at the stock market, all the other markets, they're spiking, guys, while Bitcoin here consolidated for 75 days. Like, so here's another date that you could take a look at, August 12th, 2020. That's or maybe, hold on, August 20, 2020. One of those two. One of those two. Anyways, let's go to the weekly now. I mean the monthly, and just take a look at this last picture. This is a BTC Binance TA done by Crypto Miracle, you know. So I hope that you like this video. Like and subscribe. Like I said, check the comments below to see if the guy has what's it called? Astronomy technical analysis, something like that, right? Where the dates are really important. What happened to the other one? Okay, so there it is right here. So those are the three dates. This is the one we just added. But these three I really need to know. So January 1st, 2021, I think that we're going to be in a bull market. We'll see if it's confirmed by astrology. And we are going to be 18 of June 2021 and 30th September 2022. So those are my counts for now. This is the triangle, and I think that this is going to be where you want to buy it. Okay, that's what I said in my last video. I think that we're at extreme resistance unless that we break through this big resistance right there. Then I become very bullish on Bitcoin, probably to all-time highs, but I'm not sure. That's where you start to follow once again that 89 moving average on the daily, or a reliable EMA. So that's what I'm saying for this technical analysis. I hope you like this video. Like, enjoy, subscribe, and comment, please. Let's try to build a community. What do you think I should bring when it comes to technical analysis, day trade scalping? Like, what do you guys want to see? What do you want to improve in this mastermind, in this community? So I hope you like this video, nice and short. I go for quality over quantity. Okay, so I hope you have a good rest of the day. Once again, daily close happening in 4 hours, 3.5 hours. All right, peace.